Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome to Glorious Day Adventures. So today's adventure is relaxing.
Yes, and I'm very excited to do that.
Yep, we've been on the go a lot, so we need a day of relaxation, and today is it. So we're heading to.
I was gonna talk. We're heading to Hernando Flats, which is, or Hernando Beach Flats, I think it's called, west coast of Florida, and we've never been, but we've heard lots of fun things about it. So
yeah, and it's an outgoing tide, so we could get there and it can be bone dry, which means it's a sandbar. But we brought our umbrellas so we can have some shade and just kind of relax, and so looking forward to Hernando Flats and
Hernando Beach Flats. See, I know. I said it wrong too, but you gotta. Right. It's different. Well, maybe it's the same. We don't know.
Let's go.
Come on. Oh my gosh, we had to make a pit stop, and we just bought this BOTE hammock.
It's called a water hammock.
Water hammock, 7 foot.
7 foot.
And sorry, we're kind of hiding from the lawnmower guy.
Look at that thing.
But that's the bag that it's in, and we got it at our beach store right over here on Hernando Beach.
Very, very cute place.
Very, very cute place. So we're gonna head down to the boat ramp now and get this thing blown up when we get on the water. I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
Okay, this is the first time we've been to this boat ramp, Hernando County Public Boat Ramp. And they have bathrooms. It is $10 to park. We're about 4th in line here, and there's about 6 or 7 boats behind us. But they do have a good parking lot with some overflow parking. So hope to get on the water soon. Okay, we're on the water. It was kind of a crazy boat ramp, more than we are used to. We may look at, because our boat is so small, we may look at Jenkins Creek next time. I think that's just a little further north, but it worked.
It did.
We're on the water.
We're here.
Now we just go down this canal until we hit the channel. Okay, that was a 10-minute drive down the canal, idle only, and now we're coming up to the channel. We're gonna turn right. All right, here we go. Slowed down because from what we hear, marker 25 is kind of the main entrance. They also say you can go in at 21, but we're gonna turn in here, I think, right?
I think so.
Just watch for rocks, lots of rocks.
No, they need to watch for me.
The rocks need to move for us.
Right.
All right, that was only like a 7-minute ride, I think, from when we got in the channel, and it is flat out here. We're already hitting bottom. It's probably, I don't know.
Tide's still going out too.
Tide's still going out, yeah. It's probably a 1.5 feet maybe right now. All right, we are so excited. Like we told you earlier, we stopped and got this BOTE, BOTE as in B-O-T-E, water hammock. It's a 7 foot. They also have a 10 foot. So we're gonna use the AirBank electric pump, Puffer Pro, yep. That was sent to us by AirBank, and we thank them again because this is gonna come in very, very handy.
Wait and see.
And we're so excited for this thing. It wasn't cheap, but I think it's gonna be well worth it since the sandbar is my favorite place to be. All right, 6 PSI it is. Look at this thing, I'm so excited. This thing is bigger than our boat. It is bigger than the boat though. Good thing that that pump also deflates it, because I don't know how we'd get it back. All right, look at this setup, guys. I am so excited. Joel's already hanging out in the Hangout. The Hangout water hammock by BOTE. And this is awesome. This will fit just the two of us exactly, and it'll fit Skylar next time she's coming out here with us.
Yeah.
And you can sit up on the edge, right?
Yep.
Look how stable that is, especially if both of us were sitting up there. Show the cool, those are magnetic. It's called Magnapod. And our drink holders will sit there and they won't spill. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to do this day. So we're gonna go and just kind of hang out. I'm not sure how much video we're gonna do, but we're gonna relax. All right, I will say that I absolutely love this thing. It's like, what did you say? It's like a sandbar.
Anywhere.
We can be on a sandbar anywhere. I mean, it's not, we don't have to be on a sandbar to be in it, because it's just in, I don't know, we're 6 inches of water once we sit in here.
Right.
And I don't know how much you can see, but this is amazing.
Love it.
All right, Joel. Here's your Sea-Doo.
Oh man. I want one of these.
I know, it's 18 foot, right?
Yeah, we'll never get rid of the Gheenoe, but this is going to be boat number 2.
Uh-huh. Someone had this over here, so we walked over, we had to see it.
Just like this, a 360, just go around.
Nice shade.
Well, we don't have very good luck with umbrellas.
Look at this thing.
He was trying to angle it down and it kind of fell apart. No more umbrella for today. So it is time for lunch.
Yes, and we brought like cold sandwiches, some subs.
Which would be good.
Which would be good, but not great.
But you know what? They have a
right over there.
Right over there.
Right over there.
They've got a boat.
It's a food boat. It's not a food truck, it's a food boat.
That's right. I think it's called Donnelly's Dockside, I think it is.
We're gonna go check it out.
So let's go see what they got. Look at these quesadillas we got.
So much better than a cold sub.
All right, we're sitting under the shade trying to get out of the sun just a little bit.
Yep.
How's your quesadilla?
Really good.
All right. Holy cow! The wind just picked up. We were trying to get this all inflated. Our second umbrella broke. A pontoon just ran into us.
It's not for relaxing. Welcome to Florida.
All of a sudden, I mean, we saw it coming. We were gonna get ready, but all of a sudden we have white caps. Oh, don't lose your glasses.
You tell me a boat crashed into us?
A boat crashed into us.
A pontoon boat broke loose and crashed into us. Messed up our nose cap a little bit.
And our new water hammock a little. It's okay, but it is scraped up some.
It'll live to see another day.
All right, we got everything picked up. Woo! You may have lost lots of and it is splashing in my eyes, but we got it. Alright, I can't breathe. It is very... Woo! Oh my goodness. That was an exciting boat ride back. Between the waves and we were trying to...
First way to make sure we didn't sink. And then we found somebody with engine problems and we're trying to help them, but their boat is like 4 times bigger than ours.
So we couldn't exactly help them.
No.
But at least we found somebody else who could help them.
Yeah.
So if nothing else, it drew attention to them. Well, we made it back.
In one piece.
That boat ramp was a little crazy. Somebody just said that it wasn't normally that crazy, but
Yeah, there was people like dock blocking. If you know what dock blocking was, it was basically people cutting line. It was just crazy.
It was crazy.
I've never wanted to pick a fight before, but today I was close.
it was close. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Amy did actually.
I did. Well, I tried to.
It was a verbal confrontation.
Only
but-
one-sided, really.
Right. Yeah, crazy.
But so we're gonna try Jenkins Creek.
Yes.
Jenkins Creek.
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
Jenkins Creek. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Yep. So great boat ramp, but just crazy busy and
It's just really
it's
busy.
out of
More
control.
than what we're used to with our little boat.
Yes, but however, Hernando Beach Flats.
Awesome.
Holy cow! Out of all the places we've been in our Gheenoe, it's like maybe close to the top. It was fantastic.
We cannot wait to go back.
Yeah, so look for that sometime soon because we're getting back soon. It was great.
So if you enjoyed this adventure, please subscribe to the channel,
Bloop, bloop.
like and comment, and tell us where you guys like to go out on your boat.
We
maybe.
love sandbars, so if you have a sandbar, west coast of Florida,
We're gonna
it'd be
try to
great.
hit all the sandbars
Right.
this summer.
Drop it in your comments. We'd love to visit sandbars that you guys love.
So that's it. I forgot what I was gonna say.
That's a wrap.
Have a glorious day, guys.
See you guys.